Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must prove ownership first, so prepare the proof: serial, receipt, and linked account details. Once done, back up your photos, contacts, and app data to cloud or a local drive. Make sure you can access the linked email or phone number for account recovery. Contact the device maker or carrier for guidance and be ready to authenticate with ID. This is the only legitimate path to change biometric access without an existing password. Start account recovery next. Use the linked email or phone to reset your password and follow multi-step verification prompts. If that fails, use the manufacturer's web portal or support chat, explain the situation, and provide proof of ownership. They can guide you through authorized reset steps. In some cases, a remote wipe or factory reset is required. Make sure you have permission and backups. After an authorized reset, you will be able to set new credentials. Once the device is reset and you have established a new password or PIN, go into Settings and choose Biometric Enrollment. Follow prompts, place different parts of the same finger slowly, and add alternate fingers for redundancy. Make sure Secure Lock Timeout and Biometric Preferences are set to your needs. If enrollment fails or the sensor shows errors, contact an authorized service center and bring your proof of ownership. They can diagnose hardware faults or complete the process legally and safely. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.